Welcome everyone with a new video, and this time the video is about beautiful backdrop decoration ideas for a baby shower. As you can see in this video, there are multiple ideas for decoration of backdrop for baby shower. Different themes have been seen in this video, different color themes, and similarly balloons, stuffed toys can be used to decorate your baby shower event. Use these ideas, make your baby shower wonderful and amazing. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video.